Hi, magandang araw. Ito nga pala si Boy, small engine mechanic sa New Zealand. So, for today's video, meron tayo ditong excavator na ito ay 1.8 ton excavator. Wala siyang busina. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang problema. Hahanapin pala na muna natin. So, tinanggal ko na yung sidings niya. Tapos yung busina niya, yun. Tapos ito mga fuse. So yung mga fuse i-on na natin. Unahin muna, ang first thing you check ay baka fuse lang. So wala siyang label kung alin ang fuse ng busina. So unahin check mo lang ang mga fuses. Okay? This is a Takeuchi TB217R and it's a 1.8 ton digger. And we need to check the horn why it's not working. Okay? First thing first, we need to check the fuses. Maybe some of them are blown. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's go. So this is our fuses. Okay, we have a tester, move tester. Turn on the move tester and find the continuity. Okay, this. When you hear that sound, that's continuity. Okay, let's go. Wait, one by one. Good, 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 good. Means the fuses are good. Let us see the terminal. Okay, first thing we need to do is you have a light tester. So now we're gonna use test light. We'll turn on. Then we'll turn on the lights. Yeah, the lights. We'll check if this clip it in the body ground or earth. Then we check this test light. Oh, it's working. Test light is working. Means 11.2 volts. Turn it off. Let's see if there's a light. Still light? No, nothing. Nothing. Okay. Let's test this one. So this is the negative. We put the negative in the body ground, okay, or earth. So this one we put this inside, and we're gonna push the button of the thing. Okay. Nothing. No power coming out. Okay. Okay. The next step is we'll check the handle. Let's go. So last bolt, last screw. That's the last screw. Okay. Let's see what's the problem in here. So in the top, this is the control, and the next one is the button. This is the top. Stop control. Oh, there it is. I saw it already. That's the culprit. Came off. That's the culprit. Came off. Okay, let's try to put it back this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the problem is wire is came off. Okay, it's wire. put it back, solder it, and good to go maybe. Okay, it's blue with yellow lining. The wire of the it's blue and yellow lining, including a red and orange. Okay, the other side. Okay, let's go. I think this is a trigger wire. Okay, let's go. So yan, inaano ko yung wire dyan. Natanggalan ko na, tinatulupan ko para mahinang ko ulit doon sa kanyang button. Yan. Sinahin ko ulit yan, pagkahinang ko yan, okay na yan. So we shall solder it, and we use a single bolt tube and heat gun. Okay, let's go. So that's it. We solder it and soldering gun. Then we put the terminal. And that's it. Terminal over there. Now the terminal is in. Let's see. Oh shoot! That's the problem. It's not working. It means the button is the problem. Okay, let's bypass it. I will bypass it. The button is the problem. So that's it. Problem is the button. I'll try to fix the button. Maybe something's wrong with the grounding. Okay, let's go. So this is the problem. I think I'm gonna buy this maybe in J car. This is the parts, 1.5 by 250, something like that. Or if not, now in J car, I'll try to use the I will bypass it. Working. The problem is the button. So this is it. I already buy a new same button in a J car, and I tested already. It's working. Okay, it's broken. Let's go. The only thing I need to do is install this in here, and we're good to go. Yeah. Take the big nut and put it in. Exactly. I think this one has been repaired by someone else. So yun, na-install ko na. Yan. Ginano ko lang ng konti kasi ito siguro na nasira, pinilit lang. Tamang pangit ng pagkakalagay ko. So it's a really bad to install it last time. Now I install it nice and tidy, because I grind with the little manual. Okay, good. Look, very tidy, but I cannot put the this one, but it's really tight. Okay, let's go. So now I'm soldering the wire and preparing the button and putting some shrinkable tube so that it is tidy and really nice, clean and tidy. Pause. Okay, that's good. Okay, fixed. So, ito nga pala si Boy, ang small engine mechanic sa New Zealand. So, shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout to my followers, subscribers. Okay. So, that's it. That's all. It's already done and good to go. Okay, hopefully gonna have a profit again for this excavator. So, I hope you learned something to troubleshoot an electrical or a horn. Needs to be go to the basic first, and that's it before you go to something. Okay, and you always need a tester, test light, and that's it. Okay, this is Boyong again, small engine mechanic in New Zealand. Shout out to Mama Noy, to her daughter Andrea from Italy, both of them, and to my mother-in-law, Mother Dear, and to my sister-in-law Shobe, and to my to their backup friend, okay, backup friend, and to my son Simsim, and to my girlfriend in here in New Zealand, Jowa in New Zealand, okay, and shout out to my mom and dad, okay. Shout out to you all, to all my subscribers. Just comment here and I'll give you a big shout out. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Okay, let's go.